Good morning, Amma. Junior CECM students. So today I am going to give introduction about the second chapter that is called state. Okay. So I hope you all are completed the first chapter, that is the meaning, nature and scope of political science. So let us enter into the second chapter that is called state. So entire political science depends upon or based on state. We learned already also, no, in first chapter. So state is the political organization which was formed by the man or human being for what? For to fulfill the needs of the individual or human being. So that is, in our words, what is the meaning of this state. So entire political system is based on which organization, Amma? The political organization which is called state. So state is not directly existed or exists. Okay. So it is the formation of so many other branches. So first I told you, man. So man get married and form a family. So different types of families form a society. So group of families form a society. So different types of societies form a state. So this is the existence of the state, the establishment of the state. Okay, na? So this is the background of the formation of the state. Okay. So in ancient period, there were some city-states. What are they? Athens, Sparta, Greek, Macedonia, Rome. All these are called ancient city-states. So there is no separate word for state. No. So ancient period, all are called city-states. No. So the examples of city-states I told you, no. So there is no specification of the word the state. Okay. So the word in modern period in 16th century. So what is the need of the state? The term of the using of the state and a day. There is some background. So why people form a state? There is a society also, no? So society means what? People form society for fulfillment of the basic needs of the individual and nature. So what is the need of this state? So in city-states, in Rome, Macedonia, Greek, Milan, so all ancient city-states, so there is a power, different types of power. So might has the power. Okay, na? Might has the power. Who are called might? So, physical might. Okay, mental and financial power. So, might means nothing but power. Might has the right. Not power, might has the right in those days. Andukane manam aristocracy, bureaucracy, monarchy, I am the monarch ani. So there is no liberty and freedom for the individual in monarchy system ani manam nechukunnam kada. So who has the power in ancient period? Might has the right. Ante what about lower class people? Those who are not having might means power. So they didn't get the sufficient rule or power in those days. So minority people, lower poor people వాళ్ళకి ఏముండేదమ్మా in those days లో there is no freedom and liberty to the individual in those days. So ఎవరికి పవర్ ఉండేది? Might has the right, because those who have not might or power, they didn't get the liberty and freedom. So that's why there is a emergency, there is a need of the emergency of the state, establishment of the state. So people form the state for the fulfillment of all needs of the individuals without any restrictions. Okay na? So in those days might has the right, ఎవరికైతే మెంటల్ మైట్ ఉండేది, ఫిజికల్ గా మెంటల్ గా కొంతమంది తెలివితేటలు బాగుండే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా, వేరే వాళ్ళని దోచుకునేటటువంటి ఎక్స్ప్లాయిట్ చేసేటటువంటి సిచ్యుయేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో వాళ్ళు ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళు, దోస్ హు ఆర్ ఇన్ పూర్ కండిషన్ వాళ్ళని రూల్ చేసేటటువంటి సిచ్యుయేషన్స్ ఉండేవి. సో దట్స్ వై మైట్ హ్యాస్ ద రైట్ కాదు, అందరికీ to providing equal opportunities to whether might or poor, వాళ్ళకి రిచ్ ఆర్ పూర్ అందరికి కూడా ఈక్వల్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేసేటటువంటి ఒపీనియన్ తో ఏం చేశారంటే పీపుల్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ స్టేట్ ఫర్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ఈక్వల్ జస్టిస్ టు ఆల్ men and women, rich or poor. So there is a need of the state for the fulfillment of the needs of the individual. So that's why ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే might has the right అనేది, might has the right వీళ్ళకి మాత్రమే కాకుండా, ఎలాంటి మైట్ అని ఎవరైనా పిలిచామమ్మా, ఫిజికల్ మైట్, మెంటల్, ఫైనాన్షియల్ గా ఎక్కువ ఆర్థికంగా అంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ ఎవరికైతే రిచ్ కండిషన్ లో ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు పూర్వాలను రూల్ చేసే వాళ్ళు. కాబట్టి అందరికి ఈక్వల్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ని, సఫిషియంట్ రోల్ ని ఇవ్వడం కోసం ఏంటంటే దెర్ ఈస్ ఏ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్, దెర్ ఈస్ ఏ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టేట్. ఓకే, సో ఇది మీరు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో ఇది మీకు జస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్ కింద ఒకటి మీరు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి ఏంటంటే might has the right in ancient period. So and what about modern countries? So modern period lo a famous Italian political thinker during the period of 16th century. Okay, so Italian political thinker Machiavelli. Who is Machiavelli? He is the political scientist or thinker. So use the term state in his famous book The Prince. What is the famous work of Aristotle? Aristotle famous book ఏమంటే Politics. What is the famous book of Machiavelli? Say it, repeat it with me. After with me. So Machiavelli. చెప్పండి ఒకసారి, Machiavelli. What is the famous book of Machiavelli? The Prince. Okay, so he used the term La Stato. What is the term? La Stato. So English word state, in modern period English word state is originated from the Italian word. Italian word La Stato. చెప్పండి ఒకసారి, La Stato, which means state. Which means what amma? Which means state. Means power system. So to produce the power there is a need of one particular system that is called state. That's why power system. State is nothing but a power system. Okay, so chudandi 16th century Italian political thinker. What is the name of the Italian political thinker? Machiavelli. తప్పు ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేయదు, నేను జూమ్ క్లాస్ లో అడుగుతా. ఓకేనా? Machiavelli. What is the famous book of the Machiavelli? The Prince. Okay, so the Prince is the basic work of the Machiavelli. In his famous book The Prince, he used the term La Stato. So La Stato is the Italian word. Okay, so what is the meaning of La Stato? State. Like police, P-O-L-I-S means what? City, states and నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Here the Italian word La Stato means what? State. In other words, we can also say in the view of Machiavelli, power system. Okay nama, power system. చెప్పాను కదా, ancient period లో might has the right, but what about in modern countries? So people వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఆ సిచ్యుయేషన్, మనం కూడా under the we are once upon a time means 1947 before we didn't get independence. So we are under the administrative system, under the power of the Britishers కదా. So వాళ్ళకు might, they are also might. might has the right and చెప్పు. So to fulfill the to give the sufficient rule to the individual or human being, whether rich or poor, there is a need of the state kadamma. So state means what? Nothing but it is the fundamental political institution to give the to fulfill the basic needs of the individual. So it is a man-made political organization. So హ్యూమన్ బీయింగే ఫామ్ చేసుకున్నారు స్టేట్ని. ఎందుకనంటే ఇన్ ఆల్ సిచ్యుయేషన్స్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ ది సఫిషియంట్ రూల్ అని చెప్పేసి. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ న్యూ టర్మ్స్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ Machiavelli, the prince, La Stato. La Stato means nothing but state. So power system. So this is the introduction. Just I am giving you introduction for the state, how the basic entire political system or political science based on the state. So the existence of the state, what is the emergency of the state in ancient period, modern period, how the term is originated అనేది మీకు introduction class లో చెప్పాను. Then we have a definitions and what are the basic features or elements of the state, that is I will give you next class explanation. Okay, ma'am?